guys, now we are learning 1 to 20 numbers name. Are you ready? Come on, let's start the video. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10, E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-N 13, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17, E-I-G-H-T-T-E-E-N 18, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19, T-W-E-N-T-O 20.
Very good. Are you ready for write?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let's start. Now write it.
O-N-E 1, T W-O 2, T H-R-E-E 3, F-O-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, F-I-V-E 5, F-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10, E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13, F-O-U-R-T-T-E-E-N 14, F-I-F looking like a K. Now it's looking like a T.
Correct.
F-I-F T-E-E-N 15, 15 15. SIXTEEN. 16. 16. SEVENTEEN. 17.
Little down.
Here.
Like it.
TIGHTEEN. 18. 18. NINETEE. Again looking like a K.
Okay, right.
Okay, right. NINETEEN. 19. 19. TWENTY. 20. Again handwriting, it came little mistake. Day by day I will improve. Let's will start. ONE1, TWO2, THRE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT 8, NINE9, TEN10, ELEVEN11, TWELVE12, THIRTN13, FOURTN 14, FIFTN15, SIXTN16, SEVENTN 17, ERGHTTEN 18, NINETEEN 19, DTWENTY 20.
Oh, very good. Okay, tell me about yourself.
What?
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Sinar. I'm studying in UKG. My teacher name is Vanitra ma'am. My sister name is Safa.
You are UKG. How many years old are you?
6.
6 years old.
6-year-old.
You are.
Huh?
In 6 years you are naughty.
No!
Then
I'm 7 years naughty.
you want to be naughty in 7 years.
No.
Then,
naughty what?
okay, what do you want to tell about our subscribers?
Huh? Dear friends, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bye bye guys. See you in next video. Now my sister will write.